No, Colin, no.
Was a very big statement out of him.
So my kid is still out there on the cabinet.
He has 12 knockouts.
That's all right.
12 of those coming within the first 2 rounds. If you're preparing for this guy, what are you telling your guy, Freddie?
1 month in adjustment. Don't get caught home.
Wow, look at this.
Gemma, come sit
Look at
down,
all these
please.
presents. Uncle Ken, would you do the honors? Do you mind, or you want someone else to do it?
I can do it, sure.
Okay. Does any? Oh, yeah, you can.
Christmas
Yep.
What do you want? You want a bite? Dewey? Dewey?
Here.
What do you got?
One bite of that?
Oh my
Pizza.
gosh.
Gemma, that's for
Who,
sunshine.
who found this?
Gemma.
Nice.
Gemma, you want to give that to sunshine?
Oh, is this for me?
Jem, this is for you, honey. This is for me and Lil and Johnson.
Oh,
Wow.
open it up, Gemma.
Say thank you, Gemma.
Thank you. Who is this from, you guys? Oh, well, listen, Chris, Gemma, and Cullen. She is so smart. We went in the Oriental Room. She saw the tiger and the dragon. She's like, I'm scared. I said, well, the dragon isn't real. And then we went in this one, she was a Chinese thing.
That's what she said?
Hey, bud, want to help me? Here, look. Look, here. Ready, pull. Hi, Lil. Want to come sit with Sunshine?
Jem, you're such a perfectionist.
Ready?
You expect me to rip the hell out of
What
it.
is it?
I'm sure by the end she probably will.
Wall decor. What does it say?
Look at the paper.
Oh, families are forever.
Yeah, it goes on your wall.
Wow.
Oh,
So I figured when you get your picture frames up,
oh, thank you. This is perfect. It's a sign that says families are forever.
Neat.
it like goes on your wall.
Nice. Thank you, guys. Oh, I love it. And that's what Jem said the other day when she opened up the present. Her pajamas. I love it. She said, and she found my. Nice. All right, let's see what Gemma has. What does Gemma have? Let's see.
Good job, Jem.
Do you need some help? You can do it okay. Daddy, this is for you. Do you like Swedish fish? As I mentioned, the tape disappeared this morning. What is it? honey?
Rip it.
He's going for the camera.
Oh, look at that thing.
What is it?
What is it, Jem? Try it on. I want to see
Blanket
if
or
it fits you.
oh, it's a coat.
Oh, it's beautiful. You want
Don't
to
put
try
your
it
hand
on?
in there, bud.
Come here,
Okay.
sweetie.
It's a lens.
Oh, Uncle
Okay, buddy?
Ken.
Want me to get you on here? Hold on, bud. I got you.
Try it on, honey.
You're on. Look.
Try it on.
Look, buddy. There's you.
Nice.
How about that, huh?
Yeah, put it on.
How'd I do that?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Let's try something. Come here.
No, you can't put your hands on it.
Yeah,
You gotta
feel
just
it,
look.
so soft.
Just look. Don't touch, okay, bud?
That's nice.
Just look.
Want to try it on?
Don't touch.
Beautiful. You gotta make sure it
Now,
fits.
don't touch it, okay?
Gemma.
Mom. Come on, bud. You gotta learn not to touch that.
Come here.
Okay?
Come here.
I'm photographing you.
Holy
Holy mackerel.
Come here. That's
Want that?
It's so soft.
That's a cucumber.
It is
Cucumber.
so soft. We'll get it on her eventually, Daddy.
Don't like it?
Okay.
Okay.
With me?
Put it back here.
really nice.
Okay, bud?
Figures, you know, she can wear it.
Yeah.
She get outgrows it from you. You get it to
Yes.
Liz.
Oh yeah. Definitely. Nice.
It's the same thing, buddy.
Yes, but it's,
Did that?
ended up pretty hard.
Nice. Cool.
We wear it. It's not necessarily what is on the back.
You know, the good. He goes like, I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Oh, why you take my presents?
Those are too big for you, honey. Those are for Daddy. Look. Mom from Ken.
I had a nice friend of mine make those pretty bows.
Oh, it's beautiful. I'm going to have to keep it. Look at this beautiful paper. Want to help, Lil? Want to help, Miss Lil? Jenna wants to help. Grandpa. What is it? What is it? Let's find out. Oh, look. Whoops, Lily. You know what this is, honey? Oh, some pens. Look at this. Watch. When I go to sleep at night and I don't want to see the night light.
My mother used one of those.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, every night she was
Effective.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Black
It's
everything.
definitely dark. What's this? It's a microplaner.
It's your zester.
It's my zester. My zesty zester. And look, another one, a leopard one. Some pens.
That's for robbing banks when you don't want to see what you're doing.
That's right.
Oh, look, aren't you gonna wear one and I'll wear one? Look at that, Bee. It's a nighttime. Oh, and some chocolate. Hey, Lily, you want to play with one? Lily. Lily. Okay, hold on.
Nice.
Be nice, Lily. Oops. Wow.
Lily.
Lil. Lil, this is for you, Lily. You want to help Lil open it? Hey, Lil, here, honey. Here's the end here. There you go. Ready? Pull it, Lil. Wait a minute, let's let Lil help. It's for
Gemma,
Gemma.
honey, that's close. Gemma,
Good job.
Gemma,
Pull
honey.
it, Lil.
Gemma, let Lil open it, honey. That's Lil.
We're gonna have to give Gemma a present.
Yes,
Give
as
her-
that's
Right, yeah.
It's usually expedited.
That's right.
Let's see.
I'll make short work of all this wrapping paper.
What? Who is it from? Let's
On
see them.
Melissa.
Oh, look.
Gemma.
Wow.
Princess
Cool.
shirt.
Wow.
Look at my Auntie Rocks.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what
All right, kiddo.
Oh, look, it says love. Some hearts. Oh, and it's nice and
Cool, sweetie.
Hey.
Yeah.
Mama, honey.
Yeah. Yeah, that's there. That's for you. Hi. Wanna come sit with Sunshine? Wanna come sit with me? Wait. This should be name written.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Merry Christmas.
So, that is for you and you wanna open it? Or?
That's
That is
right.
for you and for me.
Aren't those beautiful bows? Tell your friend thank you very much.
Oh, your friend made those?
Yeah.
Nice. Really cool.
Isn't that pretty? Just, oh, let's see. Hey, where's that chocolate? Yes. Is it, I don't know.
Chocolate.
Ooh, let's have some chocolate.
I'll go.
Okay, come on up. Come on up, little one. Have some chocolate. Chocolate.
Big pile on sunshine.
Yay, buddy. Come on.
Find your keys. Cool.
I think we
is
know who
it?
that's more for than.
That's, Darlene, I think this will come useful for you.
What is it?
Although, thanks anyway, Ken. You and Dante
Well, it's
as
got
well.
two fobs on this, so I figured
It's got buttons on it. 1 and 2.
key finder.
You
Do you
press
have to
it.
whistle to?
Oh,
You gotta remember what your number is, that's all.
Yeah.
That's
No,
pretty hard, isn't
yeah.
it? 1 or 2.
Yeah, no, you just go to the base, hit it, and
We can press it
it
around.
beats
That's
off
cool.
the beeper.
Oh, nice.
It beats
Definitely
off
need
the
that, Mom.
beeper.
Ooh.
Oh, this is for you, bud. Yeah, let's bring it over
Oh,
here.
nice.
Over here and open it.
Very
Come on, buddy.
nice.
Alright. Come on.
Come on.
Go bring that to Mama. She'll help you out. Good man.
Thank you,
Come on,
Uncle
bud.
Ken, for the chocolate.
Ooh, let's open this. Ready?
buddy.
Here, come on.
Mm.
Pull it.
Whoa. I think we should take
Just not quite into the routine yet.
Next year.
Some things are just more important.
That's
Right.
right, that's right.
It's your present, Don. That's yours.
See what you got.
Come on, bud. This is brother's present. I don't know. We're gonna look at it.
I absolutely love that sweater.
Really?
I had to get it.
Nice. That's awesome.
You had to go.
I had to get it.
Wow.
That's cool. I love
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Little
Right for this time of year, too.
Yes.
green.
Yep.
Nice. Come in.
You're gonna be big pimpin', big pimpin'.
Yeah.
All the girls will go,
That's
wow.
That's smooth
Look at
operating.
that handsomely dressed man.
Come in. Look, buddy. Come in.
So that's your
Look, buddy.
That looks like it fits nice.
Oh, yeah.
That's
Sizes wise? Yeah, yeah. That'll fit him.
yeah, will you try it on, buddy?
No shoes with that sweater.
Yeah,
That's for me
Little
and
stands then.
Oh, you want to try this one?
them.
Cause Santa Claus comes to
Come in. Here, buddy. Yeah.
I know, isn't that neat?
Yeah.
Claus coming